Yo, these shotgun spammers stood no chance against me. Check this out.
Reloading.
Yeah, that corner. Bye bye. Oh, my teammate got him. Good job.
We lost the lead. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Fuck off.
Let's go this way. Hostile predator missile inbound.
Man, what happened, bro?
Lost the lead. Cover me! Tied for the lead. Changing mag, cover me. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Taking the lead.
Go.
Let's go this way.
I was waiting for somebody. That was a close game. See, that was a good game on shipment. Like, sometimes it can either, like, be competitive like this, or it can be, like, extremely toxic. Are we really that salty, guys? I went 18-4. I had 1 assist. You know what it is? It's martyrdom. It's definitely martyrdom. Immediately Einhorn, bro. Immediately. Get the fuck out of here. Thank you. Oh god, these guys are toxic. These guys are toxic, bro. They're shotgun users. What a bitch.
We've taken the lead. Reloading, cover me.
Watch out!
Wow.
Let's go this way.
Don't rush him, don't rush.
Taking the lead. Let's go this way.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yeah, boy. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Taking the lead.
GG, boys. Started using his shotgun after that. 14-4. Guy under me with 15-6. I was only above him because I had 3 assists. So, GG, boys.